going to see how to fix YouTube keep parsing and buffering issue. Okay, so first you need to go to a browser and click the three dot icon and scroll down and go to settings. Yes, and in this you can see the privacy and the security setting is tab. Click it and you need to scroll down and you can see the delete browsing data is tab. Click it and you need to delete the caches and all things. You can see now the caches image in files, it takes 264 MBs. So check in your device and delete it. Yes, after deleting and scroll down and go to system, and here you can see the use graphics acceleration when available is that. Yes, this should be in turn off, and once turn off and check if the issues sort out, then after go back and here you need to go to settings, search for settings and go to network and internet settings. Yes, click it and scroll down and you can see the advanced network setting is there. Click the advanced network settings and now go to network reset. Yes, click network reset and here you can see the network reset now option is there. You need to click the reset now